Button Farm Club, and I'm here to give you a sneak peek of our September card kit. I am so excited about this card kit because I love sunflowers and I love gorgeous vintage patterns and I love beautiful papers and fun embellishments, and we have them all in this kit. This month we're going to be making an all-occasion card kit with lots of interactive cards, easy to mail cards, even a fun little dimensional folio using Ciao Farmhouse garden papers. This collection is absolutely stunning. It's perfect for that transition from summer into fall. You're going to find cards in here that you can use for get well cards, for happy anniversary cards. We're going to do cards, feminine cards, cards for pet lovers. It's going to be an amazing kit. I've been planning it all week. So in your kit, you're going to get 12 sheets of double-sided paper, 8 by 8. You're also going to get the wonderful A4 cut-apart pad, which just is filled with all the wonderful ephemera and images that make a card kit really special. Look at these clocks, this wonderful medallion clock, great images, beautiful patterns on the back. There is so much to work with here. The hard thing is going to be deciding what to use where. Look at this leaf print, so gorgeous for fall. Beautiful sunflowers. I mean, just really a stunning, stunning paper collection. I'm so excited we were able to get this for our September quarterly card kit. And then, in addition to the beautiful papers, I've designed 2 sheets of gorgeous sentiments to go with this collection. You're going to get 2 sheets of these in your kit that all you have to do is cut out and put in your cards. Makes it really easy to have great sentiments. You're going to receive a slimline card base, 2 window envelopes for shaker cards. You're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sheets of 8.5 by 11 colored card stock for matting and mechanisms. You're going to receive a gorgeous sheet of 12 by 12 champagne shimmer paper. I love this paper. You're going to get 2 sheets of 6 by 12 natural cardstock. This is really heavyweight, very high quality. 12 sheets of this same natural cardstock. This is heavy and beautiful and smooth. It just feels luxurious. I love this cardstock. Then for embellishments, boy, oh boy, did we ever do it with embellishments this time. You're going to get a pack of Simple Stories Fall Color Vibe buttons. There are 24 buttons in here, and they coordinate beautifully with the paper collection. Then you're going to get this packet of 120 Color Vibe chipboard pieces that we can use to add fun details to our cards and folios. You're going to get a pack of Buttons Galore and More, Touch of Fall sequins. I don't know if you can see, but there's little tiny leaves in here, so cute. You're going to get 5 yards of twine, burlap twine in various colors. This is going to be such a great addition. You're going to get 2 yards of cream seam binding ribbon. You're going to get 10 of these beautiful mulberry flowers, sunflowers. I love these. You're going to get 10 of these beautiful coconut shell buttons. These look so great on a vintage card, and you know me, I love my buttons. And then you're going to get 6 of these sunflower charms in various shades to embellish our cards with. So beautiful. You'll also have access to step-by-step video tutorials, and you'll receive a full color basic written guide with measurements and basic instructions for making the cards. So what are we making? Well, this kit is just loaded with interactive cards and fun designs. If you need a little pick-me-up in your card making, this is the kit for you. We've got these adorable bridge cards that are a really fun trifold design. They look complicated, but they're super easy to make actually. And just so fun for gift giving. And you have room up here to write a message, and then these cute little images, they stand up on a desk for display, so very fun. Of course, we've got a couple of shaker cards in here, and these are just beautiful, but they also have a pocket on the back, so you can tuck in a little tea bag or a honey stick or a piece of chocolate or a note. Just really fun. These are gorgeous, and these papers are just stunning. Then we've made these really fun. These are super dimensional. They're a gatefold card, but they also have an accordion design. So they open out like this, and they will sit on your desk as a display. And then in the center, of course, I've put a pocket with a little tag, and you can also, there's room to tuck in a gift card or a tea bag or some other little goodie. And these are just so sweet. They have a little belly band, and the great thing about these is they're flat and they're easy to mail, which I know a lot of you had asked me for smaller cards, easier to mail, so we've included some of those in this kit. So we'll make 2 of these really beautiful cards together. Just fun little elements, all right? Just so sweet. So, and you'll be amazed how easy these are to make. They look very impressive, but they're actually very, very easy to make, which is the best kind of fun fold card, in my opinion. Then we're also making a gorgeous slimline card. Let's turn it right side up, it's prettier. And this has a wonderful dimensional quality to it, yet it's still pretty easy to mail. And on the inside, you've got lots of room to write a note. And then it's a get well card. So it's got my own original sentiment written here, and then these beautiful sunflowers on the front. Then these are super fun. These are slider cards. And this center panel actually just slides off like this. And then it opens out, and there's your card. So how fun is that? It's just a little interactive ditty that's easy to make and really fun to open. It's kind of a different sort of a gatefold card. And look how we use our buttons and our chips in this kit. Very, very fun. And then no card kit is complete without some easel cards. And these are a shaped easel card using these gorgeous images from the paper collection. I love these because they stand up on your desk and they're something cheery to look at. But on the inside, they also have a pocket with a tag and a sentiment, and then a little mini pocket, and these gorgeous, gorgeous papers. And these also fold flat for mailing. Here's the other version. So beautiful. I just love this paper collection. And then last but not least, that's 11 cards. We're going to make this darling 6x6 folio. We've got a little button thing on the back. We've got a ribbon closure. We make a shaker cover with these sweet little sunflowers, tags, buttons, a little banner here, so cute. And then this opens out, and this opens, and this is just loaded with flips and flaps and pockets and sweet images, room to add little photos, room to add journaling, little surprise pockets. This is a triple pocket page, and it's loaded with all kinds of sweet little tags and ephemera from the paper collection. What a fun little gift to give. This opens out again. Here's another flip. Here's another fun pocket here. A pocket here with photo mats, room for a photo here. A pocket here with a whole bunch of little ephemera cards all done up. You could easily put a photo on the back of that large panel. Room for journaling. And just gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. I love this paper collection. It is such a joy to work with. So that is what we will be making in this kit. You can order your kit at Button Farm Club. If you are a member of my quarterly card kit, you do not need to order. Yours will automatically be shipped to you. If you're not a member, you can still order, but members' orders are fulfilled first, so you can become a member, and then you get on that list of getting your cards first. And I will put the link in the description box below. You're just going to love working with these gorgeous papers, making these fun, interactive cards that are perfect for all occasions. So that's it for me, Kathy Clement, Kathy by Design, Button Farm Club. Go get your craft on. Bye.